I mean, you sure? Should I park somewhere else? I could park somewhere else.
As a matter of fact, I put a phone right there.
Oh, right there. Perfect. You're the man. Thank you so much, brother. Good morning, boys, girls, ladies, gents. Good morning. Welcome to another gorgeous day and another vloggy vlog as we enter said day with gusto and motivation. I have a busy day ahead, but just a bunch of manual tasks. Don't have to do too much thinking, so a lot can get done. And it's gonna be a gorgeous day, but as it stands right now, it's mid-40s. Mid-40s. Didn't quite make that light, but that's okay. Seems there's a little bit more traffic than I thought there would be. And I left a couple minutes later than I planned on. So, we'll see. How much gas we got in this baby? Plenty. But we'll probably gas up soon. Yeah, another day. This is gonna be just a casual ride. I don't really have any topics. It's funny, the gas tank questions are fun. Yeah, that's one thing. Can you guys ask me more gas tank questions? Please, 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 down in the comments, and I'll make more episodes about gas tanks. Because right now I have this fucking guy is gonna try to beat me. He's gonna try to beat a motorcycle off the line. That's hilarious, but I'll let him. Yeah, like most of the questions I have left, because I still have like a dozen questions asked from before, and all of them, or like 70% of them, have to do with why did I pick Ducati and what would be the other bike. And you know, I feel like I've answered that question a few times now, but why Ducati? Because Ducati is awesome. I love Ducati. Makes me feel special. If Ducati didn't exist and I had to pick another bike, Jesus, can't imagine even thinking about that. I don't know. I'd like to think I'll go with a Beamer, or maybe probably not a KTM, but probably not an Aprilia. Good question. Who knows? Maybe even a Japanese bike at that point. It is possible. Heavy traffic around here, huh? Look at this nonsense. Don't see any popo, so we can do a little bit of a split to the front. Not to upset anyone. Oh boy, it's too tight. It's too fucking tight. Come on, bro. Oh, you cunt, baby. Yeah, not gonna be able to fit it in there. That's why there's so much traffic. I get it now. Now I get it. Now I understand. All right. What a nice day. What a nice day. So yeah, so that answers that question. It would be impossible. It would be damn near impossible for me to pick another bike. I wouldn't even know which one to go with. I don't know. Quite possibly I might just go with like one of those Honda CBR1000s, whatever, like the standard bike. And same with like a Yamaha XSR 900. I would get something like that, like a naked, chunky, fast little bike. But the idea that we're in a universe where Ducati doesn't exist is just sad. Can't even think about bikes. I'd probably not even ride motorcycles. I'd probably just ride bicycles at that point. Holy shit, I've never been in traffic this tight here. I have a feeling we're gonna be lane splitting the whole fucking time. Holy shit. This is gonna be tough. This is gonna be a battle. This is gonna be a battle. Come on, you can go. Both of yous. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Lord. Be right here. Sorry, guys. This is madness. This is the craziest traffic I've ever seen over here. I mean, at least BQE, I'll be able to just split and just flow. I wonder why. I left a few minutes earlier. I figured that would be a welcomed thing. Guess not. There we go. Green light. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on, bros. Oh, it's because of this fucking construction right here. That's why. Because everything is single lane. Punks. That is why. Because this is single lane. Because they're building a monster of a building here. So I'm guessing that's going to be the case for the next couple months. Lovely. Oh my God. Are we trying to get into BQE? Is that really happening? Who's honking? Holy shit. Sweet bananas. And BQE is a little wide open. Nice. Just a little blast of speed, not too much. Is this big truck really going to pull over? Oh, you got it. All right, we're gonna have to split. We're wasting too much time over there. Sweet spaghetti. Chilling. It's always a mess here. Did it really tell me to get off at this exit? Why? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. Let's see. What do we do? Do I go local or do I go not local? It's hard to guess. Excuse me, sir. Here we go. We'll go local. Ladies and gents, we're back. That was fucking frustrating to say the least. To say the least. And now this guy is close to the curb. Usually they go wide. Pennsylvania guy is hugging the apex. That happens. At least it's warm out. I didn't even really need these gloves, the big bulky warm heated gloves. Could have gotten away with some basic gloves. Ooh, look at this truck. It's kind of adorable. Neon green baby. Don't want to blow past this guy because could be sketchy on the other side. How are we looking over there? We're looking good. There we go. I believe there's 2 lanes here. I can't tell if this guy's turning, he's turning all the way from the fucking left over here. I let him. Look at this fucking left. Slowest and widest left ever. Stay behind the bus. Oh, Dumbo, Dumbo. Dumbo, Brooklyn. Here we are. Oh boy. That's how you get onto Manhattan Bridge. And there's some speed cameras, so we don't try to go too fast here. Ooh, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're good. Uh-oh. Something happened back there. Let's see if there's parking. Today's Tuesday, so shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, I gotta keep a good attitude today, good positive outlook on life, because I gotta tuck in and get some work done if I want to continue this lifestyle. Oh, look at that Durango, the green one. That's dope. That's wild sweet. All right, thank you. Nice buildings around here. This building's gonna be cute as well. Wild cute. Nobody's coming, so we can go through. Nice snorkel. All right, we'll take a left here. No turn signal because I'm a bad boy. I gotta go to this bakery one day. I keep saying it. Ooh, that's why there's wetness. So any spots here? Might as well start surveying the area right away, right? Not so sure. You're good. Sorry. Should have gave you a warning earlier. These motherfuckers just taking over the block little by little. This wild construction over here. Look at these guys. Look at these folks. Oh, right here. Perfect spot for me. Perfect spot. Yep, just like that. Shouldn't be too bad. What? What? Talking to me? I can't tell if he's talking to me. You talking to me? No. I can't tell if he's gonna tell me to move or something. Probably. He might. I shouldn't park here? Oh.
I want to explain to you what happened. I don't think they're using here today.
Okay.
Because the guys isn't working. But I don't have to take your number today.
Okay.
The reason why, usually like this girl and another person coming in, I have their number, so they have to move.
Oh, somebody moved the cone. I saw that. I was wondering what's going on. So I probably shouldn't park here for my own benefit.
Go ahead and park, but I'm just letting you know.
So today is okay?
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right.
Big deal.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. I can move closer if you want.
No, I said if she have enough space,
Oh, yeah.
get out.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Usually, just check.
Okay.
Because some days they use here.
Plus, I don't want a big truck to hit my bike either, so.
No.
I mean, you sure? Should I park somewhere else? I can park somewhere else.
As a matter of fact, I put a phone right there.
Oh, right there. Perfect. You're the man. Thank you so much, brother. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah. And, I just
Yeah.
next time that there's some days that you can't park.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I see the kind of equipment you guys are moving here. What's going on over here?
Changing out the transformers.
Got it.
Yeah, updating
Nice, nice. Thank you so much, man. I'm leaving at like 4.
What time?
Okay, good. Thank you. Nice. Beautiful. We are all set. No, you know, I'm not here tomorrow. Just today.
I'm gonna show you where you can park tomorrow.
Okay, where was that?
Huh?
Where can you park tomorrow?
No, I could have you park on the side over here.
Oh, got it, got it. Okay.
You know, for Wednesdays, I'll try to do
Got it. Yeah, no, I'm not here tomorrow. It's all good. Thank you. All right. Well, how about that? A little conversation about parking. I mean, I could have just parked somewhere else, but it's all good. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.